La 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 la. I should have done this before. Hey guys, it's Melanie and I'm so excited to be doing this video. As you guys know, I'm a bit of a shopping addict, but I haven't really been shopping recently. I do want to shout out and thank Princess Polly for coming through and sponsoring this video today. They sent me some amazing items and I'm so excited to show you guys. You guys can also do some shopping and use my code Melanie for 20% off your order. And also Princess Polly does free express shipping, which is for all orders in the US that are over $50, so you can get your pieces real quick. To be honest, I'm not really going anywhere, so I don't really need to look cute, but I miss dressing up so much and I want to like show you guys some fashion outfits and stuff. So getting these clothing pieces were literally the highlight of like my month and I'm so excited to try them on and show them to you guys. I do want to put a little disclaimer out there and I don't want to come off as like I'm bragging and like look at all this clothes in the midst of a pandemic, but hopefully this can be like a little bright side and get you excited for, you know, spring and summer fashion. Even just dressing up at home, I still find it fun. So please don't take this the wrong way. I'm not trying to come off like I'm bragging or showing off any of these items. I'm just really excited about them and hopefully you guys like them too. So I'm just gonna jump right in. I got some pretty exciting things and it's getting me really pumped for warmer weather. I mean, I'm always excited for warm weather, to be honest, and I just love like spring and summer fashion, so I can't wait to show you guys these pieces. Okay, so for starters, feels like I don't remember how to do a haul. It's been so long. Watch me say that and I probably have a haul like 2 videos back. Oh, okay, well I know where to start now. This top that I'm wearing, I've been seeing this style of top. Ooh, awkward, you can see that. Okay, I've been seeing this style of top everywhere and I had no clue where to get it, but Princess Polly had a bunch of them and I chose one in this like really small gingham pattern and it's pale like limeish green, and I don't know, like I've never been a green gal, but I think I'm starting a thing because I'm really into green. I'm really digging this. I think it's so adorable. It kind of reminds me of like princess, I don't know, like a corset top. It has a cute little tie and it's like button up in the front here and you actually tie it and you like button it, like the buttons are functioning, if that makes sense. But don't worry, I double knotted this. I'm not gonna be like, it has these cute little puffer sleeves and they can go down if you want to be like, but I wear them up because, you know. But I think this is so cute. I would love to get this in more patterns because I think it's absolutely adorable. It would look great with mom jeans. It would look good with a skirt. It's just kind of like a fancier crop top, if you will. I think it makes you look really put together. It's kind of like the new, you know, when like lace-up tops are super in, it's kind of like the new version of that, in my opinion. Oopsies, my bow. It's coming undone. I don't really know how to tie a bow to save my life. But yeah. It gives me like, I'm gonna go on a picnic vibes, which is honestly the vibes that I want to be giving off, so I'm probably just gonna wear this top like all the time. Okay, now doing a total 180. You know that TikTok where it's like half of me is her and half of me is her? Like, do you see my dilemma? Like that one? I feel like that's me except 10 different styles. I don't know. I just like what I like. I don't know. I don't have like an aesthetic. I don't think I do, at least. The next item is this leopard print top and it also has like a cute little like ruffle, what's it called, lettuce trim? Yeah, lettuce trim. Why did I forget that? It's also kind of like a meshy see-through material, if you can tell. You probably can't, but my whole idea with this was to wear it either underneath a graphic tee or underneath like a black tank top, or you could just wear like a bandeau underneath or something like that. I really like prints, but I am get a little scared to wear prints sometimes. I'm excited to try styling this. I think I can make it look really fun. Next stop, I got quite a, oh, okay, well, just kidding. Those are the only 2 tops. I got a lot of bottoms and dresses because I honestly don't own that many dresses and I think dresses are genius. I think I just had this phase where I was like,
Melanie doesn't wear dresses. Melanie is gonna be a tomboy.
I was just like, no, dresses not for me. But then I realized dresses are genius. Like, they're so comfortable. It's literally one piece and you always look put together. Crazy. So I got 2 dresses. Somehow they're like the same style and I didn't even notice it. So I guess I'm really drawn to the style or something. Basically, I'll show you this one first. It's kind of like a wrap front and then you tie it in a bow. I think I really like bows or something. So I got it in this like blush pink color. How do I open this? Okay. This blush pink color. I think this is adorable. I wish I could wear this to like a little formal or something, but unfortunately almost canceled. Not that I'd be wearing this to prom, but you know, everything was canceled, so I'll wear this in my room. But this is what it looks like. It has kind of like a square cut front. Don't know if that'll look good on me. Hope it will. And then the bottom also has little ruffles, which I really love. And then if you can see, it has like the wrap, and then you tie it in a bow here. And I think this will be so adorable. I think you could totally dress this up or dress it down. Like you could just wear this on a nice little summer day, or you could wear it to a picnic once again. Oh, I think this would also look really cute with like a long sleeve underneath it and some wedges.
Oh my god.
I'm envisioning it now. Okay, getting too excited. And then I got the same thing basically, but just in this. I'm a little bit colorblind, which sucks because I'm taking like a color class. Okay, I think this is dark green, but the website said teal. I still think it's green, but whatever. It's just a color. And then it has polka dots on it. I've also been very drawn to polka dots recently. I think they're quite adorable. I don't know why they ever stopped being a thing. Or maybe they didn't stop. Maybe I was just oblivious to it. It has the same like front wrap thing, and then you tie it, which you can't really see because of the pattern, but hopefully you can see it better on the try on. And then the same like square cut top. I really like square cut tops also. I think they're classy little touch. Okay, so that was it for the dresses, and on to some different bottoms. I first off got, these are like paper bag shorts. I think these are so fun. They actually have like an actual elastic band on the inside. Kind of reminds me of like jeans for toddlers, you know, when they're like super scrunched for little boys. But you know, I have the body of a little boy, so they're kind of like rough cut on the bottom. I'm not sure if I'll roll them yet or not. I really like the idea of paper bag pants because like how I just said, I have the body of a 10, 12-year-old boy, whatever. I don't have curves basically. I think that these are very flattering in that they give you kind of a curve effect because it's so cinched at the waist and they're kind of puffy. It also, since it's like an elastic and not like a restrictive waistband, you can eat a lot more. Love that. Can't wait till it's warm enough to wear shorts. I hate pants, bro. I hate them. I'd rather wear shorts than even like leggings. And then I got, this is one of those things where I was like drawn to it, but then I was like, I actually want to wear this. I'm gonna make myself wear this, okay? I know they just look like plain black pants because that's what they are. But I think that these are very good quality, and then they can also be dressed up or down, like I literally say about everything. But they're kind of just like flowy, and I feel like you could wear them for a very business casual look, which I really do like that business chic kind of look. Gives me that like, oh, I'm a city business student vibes, businesswoman. I don't know. Or you could just wear it with like a little crop top and some nice jewelry and it'll also look fine. So I'm excited to play with these. I got another pair of like mom jeans, but I thought these ones are really cool. I saw this style on like TikTok or something like that. I don't know. Or maybe Instagram, maybe. I don't remember. It's just like a normal pair of mom jeans, but then on the front, it has like a pinch. I think they're called pinch jeans, but it's like overlapped here. It's a minimal detail, but I thought it just added a little something and it was kind of funsies. So I figured I would try these out. The quality is really good and it's just like a normal tone. I feel like it'll look very good with this top as well. We're gonna be trying these on together. I really like it. So that's that. I'm literally the worst. Every single time I'm like, I have too many jeans. I don't need any more jeans. And then every time I see jeans, I'm just like, maybe. And then I got two skirts. I also used to be kind of against skirts. I don't know why. I just never wore them, but I've changed apparently. So first off, I got this skirt. I'm kind of hoping that I wear this because the thing for me with mini skirts is like I do not have a butt whatsoever, and I think like mini skirt, the fit of it just really shows that. But I absolutely love them. You know, that's the thing with shopping online, because when you see it on the model, everything I see I'm like,
that looks so good.
and then I can imagine the outfits in my head, but then once I try it on, I'm like, that's not what it looked like online. Either way, I just think this is so adorable. Like the pattern of it, look, it's so cute. It's like this baby blue and it has daisies, except the whole thing in the middle is black. I don't know, that was a terrible way to describe it, but it's a cute little flower print. I like the color combo and I think this will look adorable with a lot of things, like a sweater or a crop top. I don't even know, there's so many ways to style it. And I really like patterned bottoms. I used to be someone who like would wear solid bottoms and patterned tops, but now I'm like, why not do both, like vice versa? That being said, I got another pattern skirt. I don't know what this pattern is called. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe you can see it better on the try on, but it's like this black dot, but then all the dots aren't like uniform polka dots. They're like splotchy little dots. Now that was a very bad way to describe it, but it's such a cool pattern. I think it's very, very much spring. This kind of skirt looks a lot better on me just because, as I said, I don't have a waist. So this kind of pulls in your waist and like makes it look like you kind of have hips. It's also elastic, comfy. A nice like chiffon material, and it's kind of like tiered. Brings me back to those Jada dress days from Brandy, if you know what I'm saying. Gosh, ha ha ha. 12-year-old me is screaming. I had like 10 of those. Now it's like revamped into this little skirt. I think this would look really good with some like rose gold jewelry. Yeah, those are all the clothing pieces. I do have a couple accessories that I want to show you guys too. First off, I got this snake skin belt. I think this is gonna be great for like really pulling an outfit together, you know? If you're just wearing mom jeans, it's just like, she's casual, she's a high schooler. But then if I slap on this belt, accessorizing, it'll be like,
whoa, fashion icon.
That's what was going through my head when I saw this on the website. I also don't own a lot of skinny belts. I don't know how functional this is for actually like keeping your jeans up, but I think it'll be a good stylish touch. And my very last accessory and item of this haul are these boots. Usually I'm not into like that, you know, kind of look like little elves or something, but I think these look very, very chic. I don't know, it'll kind of go with the whole like I'm a bad bee, like businesswoman kind of vibe, I'm hoping. Surprisingly, with the big heel, they're actually pretty comfy, so I think I could walk around town and can't wait to be a city girl again once the city opens up and wear these. And that's it. Alright guys, so those are all of the items that I got. Again, huge thank you to Princess Polly for sending these, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this little haul try-on video. If you want to see more fashion videos, make sure to let me know. If you want to see outfits, follow like my Instagram and TikTok because I post a lot of fashion outfit stuff on there as well. That's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I absolutely love filming hauls. I love watching hauls. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for your love and support. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you soon. Bye guys!
I know it's getting late now, babe.